Is Clickfunnels better than WordPress? Watch this video to find out. Hey, welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. My name is Amanda, and make sure you hit subscribe for more awesome content like this. So we're talking about, is Clickfunnels better than WordPress? First of all, what the heck is Clickfunnels? So if you're on this video, you might already know what Clickfunnels is, but if you don't know, it is another software similar to WordPress that helps you create websites, landing pages, sales funnels, and essentially it's just a drag and drop online tool. So I think a lot of people out there are wondering, WordPress kind of seems to be the place to be if you want to make a website. So why would you want to use Clickfunnels rather than WordPress? Well, the thing is that in my opinion, as a web developer who has done a variety of different websites on WordPress as well as Clickfunnels, I honestly have to say that Clickfunnels is definitely the place that you want to be if you are online specifically to make money for your business. On the other hand, WordPress, in my opinion, is an awesome blogging tool. So if you already have a strong following and you want to be writing articles every single day, but you want an easy way to go in there and create posts every single day without having to hire a designer, then WordPress might be the one for you. To be completely honest with you, I personally use both of these softwares. I use WordPress strictly for blogging, and I use Clickfunnels strictly for opt-in pages, sales funnels, etc. If you're not entirely sure what a sales funnel is, grab my 4-day free training on sales funnels down in the description below. If you already know what a sales funnel is, let me know down in the comments what type of sales funnel you are currently using for your business. And if you're just a straight up blogger, give me a like on the video. I want to hear more from you guys, what you want to know in these videos. So with that being said, why not take a quick look at both of the platforms so you can see the main difference between the two. So first of all, I just wanted to give you a quick look at a couple of websites that I've had a hand in creating on WordPress. So here is one which is for a mall. As you can see, they can come in here, they can update their events, they can update their store directory and all that crazy stuff. Another one is just an event that they hold yearly in the city, and they can come in here and they can add in their tickets, they can add in their blog and all that cool stuff. Now, for me, you can see mine is simply just a blog, and I've just got blogging stuff on there. But just to show you on the back end, it's a little bit complicated if you don't really know what you're doing. If you come in here, you've got posts, you can create like blog posts, you can come in here, you can create pages, so you can create your different web pages, and then you've got your plugins. Plugins are basically extra added in software that helps you to kind of like customize the website so you don't have to hire a developer. And then you can click under your appearances and like change your themes and stuff like that. Now you can get different themes that are drag and drop, but on that note, let me just show you the difference between that and Clickfunnels, for example. So for Clickfunnels, if you were just going to create a new website, they just create your type of website or web page that you want to create. So if I'm creating an opt-in page, I can just come in here, I can grab one that looks similar to what I want, and then I can simply just edit it and edit the different colors or images, as well as like the logos, just like based on your business. And you'll see that the editor is just as simply drag and drop. So if you want to move this over here, you can do that. If you want to change the size of this, you simply just drag this, Very simple. And they have 24-hour support, so you can easily get support through this. So it's more intended for lead generation, sales, and stuff like that, whereas WordPress is more geared towards blogging and stuff like that. So I hope this answered your question about the difference between WordPress and Clickfunnels. If you want to try out Clickfunnels, just click on the link in the description below, and I'll hook you up with some sweet bonuses as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.